Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix verification required tap continue and sign in to view billing information. So if you see this kind of error or screen while you try to purchase anything from the app store, so how you can fix that? So when you try to download any app or install any app from the app store, so it always requires verification. So if you turn this off, you can simply download and install the app from the app store without any problem. So if while verification, if any kind of problem occurs, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And for this, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. And after turning off for the airplane mode, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. And here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset. And you have to simply reset all of your network setting. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings again and you have to click on name and Apple ID. And after that, you have to click on media and purchases. And after that, you have to simply click on view account. And after clicking on view account, you have to wait for some time so that there may be option available. So here you have to simply click on manage payments and you have to check whether any kind of pending payments or payment problem is not occurring in your settings. So if there is any payment problem, then you have to simply update the payment method and you have to simply remove any payment method which requires verification or it is not working. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.